First, I'm gonna get our machine out of the box, and I'm also gonna put the cutting mat on the side because I'm not gonna be using it. I know I keep saying that I'm gonna get used to using it, but you know how we are. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Cameo 4 Pro. This is a 24-inch vinyl cutter. You can currently get it for this much, depends on where you get it from, but this is how much you can expect to pay for it. Another advantage of these vinyl cutters is that they come with their own software and it is totally free. It cannot get any better than that. And you can get it from www.silhouetteamerica.com. And we're going to use the Silhouette Studio Basic Edition. Although this may not be the best software to create logos from zero, but it is enough to get you started. If you're looking for a better option to create your designs, CorelDRAW might be a good idea. In fact, this is the software that we use with most of our vinyl cutters. Now, if you're a premium member of our channel, remember that you can use the design frame to create your designs and trace images. I'm going to leave a video at the end screen of this episode so you can check it out. I will be using the Oracle 651 permanent vinyl. I'm not going to use the tape application rollers. You already know that we use that very often whenever we get to use our Cameo cutters. But the first thing I need to do, I'm going to align the vinyl, and this is how I do it. After making sure the vinyl is aligned, I need to bring it back to its original position. Now, it won't hurt to do a little bit of praying before cutting our vinyl. I always like to keep an eye on this vinyl cutter because you never know what's going to happen. And our settings to cut Oracle 651 blade, we have it at 3, cut force 10, speed at 14. And our blade is a little bit old, so you have to keep that in mind. If you're liking this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. So far, the machine is behaving. Let's keep it that way. Now, I want you guys to look at those details we were able to achieve with this very affordable vinyl cutter. Now it's time to apply the transfer, and I'm going to use the art tape Clear Choice AT 75.1. And to be able to apply it, I'm going to use the tape application rollers. The one I mentioned in the intro. This is an amazing tool. This is the reason why I like to show it, because if you do not have any extra help, you can do it by yourself like the way I'm doing it, although it was not 100% smooth, but I was able to get it on the decal. Now I'm going to take the measurements. I always like to make sure that the decal is aligned. Now it's time to start applying the vinyl to the yard sign. And I'm going to use the cutting knife to get rid of the backing paper. And as you can see here, I'm having a hard time removing the letters from the backing paper, although I use a high tag transfer, the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75.1. That's a high tag transfer, and I'm still having a hard time, but no matter what, I got it figured out. If you would like to support our channel, remember that we have memberships available. Just go to the join button to see all the options available. Thank you for your support. Making yard signs with a vinyl cutter can be a lot of work. I'm not gonna deny it, especially when using a Cameo cutter. For the most part, we outsource our yard signs, especially for bigger quantities and certain designs that cannot be made with a vinyl cutter. And the reason why I decided to make this yard sign was because it's all one color and only one yard sign. I just wanted to give something extra to our loyal customer, something that could help them get more sales. And this is how you keep them coming back. If you like this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that you can get your materials and equipment through our links in the description of the video, or you can go to the very first comment, or just go to our website, that is www.rdidecals.com. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you until the next one.